Nick Clone 23 here. I'm going to be breaking a mega box of Topps 2015 football, 7 packs of 2015 Topps, 2 hobby packs of 2015 Topps Valor, and 3 exclusive Chrome rookie cards. The Chrome rookie cards look like this, the Valor looks like that, and the regular Topps looks like that. So let's get into it. I'll open up the Chrome rookie cards first. We got Jameis Winston, Melvin Gordon, and Kevin White. Those are the 3 cards I got in my recently 2 open mega boxes. So get into the Topps pack. Joe Hayden, Jason Pierre-Paul, Fred Jackson, Matthew Stafford, J.J. Watt, all-time fantasy legends Drew Brees, Garrett Grayson, old school card, pretty cool, Kelvin Benjamin, Jarvis Landry, Terrence Knighton, Brandon Scherff, and Devin Funchess. Ronnie Hillman, Darren McFadden, San Francisco 49ers, Martellus Bennett, Cordero Patterson, Antonio Brown, past and present performers Kelvin Johnson, Andrew Luck, Jimmy Graham, Brand Marshall, Eddie Goldman, and Stephon Diggs. Chris Ivory, Andy Dalton, Pittsburgh Steelers, Peyton Manning, Devon Still, Super Bowl champions, New England Patriots, 394 out of 399, camouflage border, past and present performers Le'Veon Bell, Joe Flacco, Clay Matthews, Darrelle Revis, Ty Montgomery, and Todd Gurley. Brandon Cooks, Andre Ellington, Arizona Cardinals, Steven Gostkowski, Cam Newton, Jimmy Graham, all-time fantasy legends, Justin Houston, Pat McAfee, Malcolm Butler, Dwayne Bowe, P.J. Williams, and Kevin White. Allen Robinson, Adrian Peterson, Kansas City Chiefs, Tom Brady, Dez Bryant, 4,000 yard club Tom Brady, old school Tim Brown, Kiko Alonso, Le'Veon Bell, DeMarco Murray, Malcolm Brown, and Cameron Artis-Payne. James Starks, Derek Carr, OBJ, Terrence West, Jimmy Graham, Fantasy Focus, C.J. Anderson, Steven Jackson, Blake Bortles, Eddie Lacy, Aaron Rodgers, P.J. Clemmings, and Lorenzo Molden. Last pack of 2015 Topps. Marvin Jones, Philip Rivers, Colin Kaepernick, Jason Witten, Philip Rivers, 4,000 Yard Club, Drew Brees. Old School of Amir Abdullah. Vontaze Burfict, DeMarco Murray. Pierre Garcon. Kevin Johnson. And Sunquez Golson. Here's our Valor packs. They're hobby packs also, so hopefully we pull something good. Cam Newton, Phil Simms, Marshawn Lynch Speed, Jerome Bettis, John Riggins, and Joique Bell. Last pack. Derek Carr, Drew Brees, Speed, Josh Robinson, Gale Sayers, Jamal Charles, and a Jeremy Hill. Thanks for watching.